When you create a new job, the complete set of units of measure is copied to your job. That means that you can change the units of measure specifically for a particular job if you want to. So to get to the units of measure, I'm just going to click Units on the Project Data group of the Cost Plan tab. And you'll see a list of all the units of measure that are available to you in the job. If you want to create a new one, simply go to the line where you see the asterisk, and you could type in a code for it, and then you could type in a description. It can only be a maximum of, let us see, 10 characters long. You must tell the system whether it requires a second or a breadth dimension. I will say no, and it follows that it will not require a volume unit of measure, the third dimension. And then I want to discuss the number of decimals column. You'll notice that all of these units have their number of decimals set to 0, except for tons. And what that means is that the rounding of your final bill quantities will be correct to the nearest integer. You can have 0 for an integer, or 1 decimal place, or 2 decimal places. If you are working on SABS 1200 jobs, you may go up to 3 units of measure, but that is not possible for standard architectural work. So in order to update this new record, I simply click in the record selector bar, and you'll see that the pencil has gone away. That means that this unit of measure has been updated. Once the new unit of measure has been entered, you can use it anywhere on QSPlus that you are required to supply a unit of measure. So if you have anything that is unusual, that is not already present on the standard list of units, which is created when your job is created, you can add it as we showed you.